lover, always.
Alright, so welcome back to another week of WPAT Global Copy Trading.
That is right. So before we actually talk about the copy trading, let's actually get through the most important thing, which is our disclaimer. So WPAT is not a broker, nor is it a solution for financial planning. Now, what product are we going to be discussing today? It will be Forex. Now, Forex is a leveraged product which may not be suitable for all investors, okay, as it does carry a high degree of risk due to leverage. It's traded on margin. All right, so if you need, basically all you need is advice from professionals, okay, if you do want to seek it. All right, so let's get right on in. WPAT Global Copying Together. So what exactly is WPAT? WPAT wants to try to gather as much profitable strategies as much as possible and to connect it to all of you guys. Hopefully we could all be making money together in the Forex market, okay?
Yes.
Through
So
one method.
Right. WPAT is actually interested in connecting people with strategies, traders with investors, all right?
Okay, so through that one method, which is called copy trading. Okay, so copy trading. Why do we choose copy trading over other forms of possible investment options?
Well, let's say copy trading over fund management, for example. Copy trading is important, or it's a better choice because it gives the investor full control over your account. On fund management, you basically just give your password and your account over to someone, and in hopes that that person can actually generate profits.
Yeah, I see. And then obviously with copy trading, you do have more control over the funds, where in the case that you do see you want to actually make choices on your risk, or you want to limit your risks, such as the trader, he or she is taking certain risks that you do not want to, you could actually be terminating those trades at will, any time.
Yes.
All right, so what strategies are we going to be talking about today?
Well, today we're going to be looking into B1, B2, and B3, all right? To remind everyone at home that we already talked about A1, A2, A3, so today we're going to be talking about B1, B2, and B3.
All right, so B1, as we see over here, it does actually give you a bit of a description, okay, about the strategy. So what is the strategy about? Runs on a grid system, only on Euro USD pair, and it has already more than 3 years of trading history.
Yes.
Wow, and each order will always have a take profit and stop loss. Wow. All right, well, I'm glad about the long history.
Yes, so if you do want to connect to the B1 strategy, actually the minimum deposit required is $10,000. Yeah, and so far it's been having the maximum drawdown of 23.79%.
Okay, well, that's pretty good. Well, if you guys do want more information, talk to your account manager for more details, okay? And also on this side of things, I like how WPAT has changed it up, you know? It's more visual, you get to see numbers. Yeah, it's cool. All right, B2.
Okay, so on B2, as you can see, is a manual trading strategy. It combines a mixture of several Forex pairs, including gold. Okay, so as you can actually see here from the pictures, you can see gold, and some GBP, AUD, and whatnot. So that's the description. And also, if you do want to connect to the strategy,
it will actually start with a minimum required deposit of $600. Now, do keep in mind, okay, usually with the higher capital, you can actually be lowering your risk, right? If you do not multiply the same risks, of course. Now, the maximum drawdown that you're seeing right now is just shy of 2%. So that's actually pretty impressive.
And the strategy has actually been running since June, with 1.94% is actually quite stable.
All right, so then B3 uses different market trends. Okay, all right, so straight and cross markets to carry out strict risk control. All right, that sounds very confusing, but let's take a look at the performance. Okay, so let's quickly take a look with a minimum deposit that it did start off in August of last year with $1,000. It has already generated 2,000 plus in profits. Okay, so if you do choose to want to do a copy trade of the strategy B3, then the recommended minimum deposit would be $1,000, and currently recorded maximum drawdown is 22.97%.
That's right. Okay, so for more information, actually, if you want to get connected to WPAT strategy, how do you do it? Well, there's 4 simple steps that you can follow and you can get connected and start trading with WPAT. So part 1, you obviously need a trading account. WPAT has worked with partner brokers that you can actually talk to your account manager and find out more information. Part 2 is process deposit. And part 3, choose the strategy that most suit your needs as a trader. So as we said, we already discussed A1, A2, A3, and today we're introducing B1, B2, and B3.
And then the starts get copied.
Exactly. So part 4 is just start copying and hopefully making some profit.
Okay, that's very good. All right, so now for all of you out there, especially if you think you have a good strategy that can actually be very helpful for the Forex market, we would love to actually be in touch with you. Okay, feel free to actually click on any of these buttons right here and get in touch with us for the latest news and events. Now, especially on our Instagram, I love you to actually start following it. Okay, if you haven't done so, because there's a lot of surprises, even blitz events where you could actually be earning some additional exclusive stuff that only the people following WPAT Global will be able to earn within our partnering brokers.
And if you want to see a full extent of our strategies, you can also go to our MyFX book right there as well, and you will have all the strategies and all the data that you require.